Hi friends. In subject chemistry uh, is matter around a sphere. I taught this topic in class. We covered 25% of this topic in class 9C. Just revising all concept what we studied from this topic is matter around a sphere. So basically in this topic we are concentrating on pure substances as a topic itself suggested as a is matter around a sphere. So many types of matter we saw in our previously topic also matter in our surrounding. In that total fifth states of matter: solid, liquid, gases, Bose-Einstein condensate, then plasma. So here we are concentrating on pure substances. So basically, pure substances is which has only one or same kind of component, which has only one or same kind of components. It is what pure substance is. So basically purity of this substances is a function of purity of this substance. It is a function or it depends on depends on melting and boiling point of a substance, melting and boiling point of a substance at constant pressure. At constant pressure. So whatever melting and boiling point of this substance, it deviate in presence of impurity. It will deviate in presence of any impurity. Suppose if impurities will extra, so definitely it will affects on melting and boiling point of that substances. So on the basis of their chemical composition, pure substances. So here on the basis of chemical compositions, chemical compositions, pure substances, pure substances can be classified, can be classified, can be classified as a elements or compounds, elements or compounds. So as we discussed previously, elements, so whatever experimentally data was given by scientist Antoine Lavoisier, Antoine Lavoisier, he gave experimentally background definition about definition of element. He defined element as basic form, basic form of matter that that cannot be broken down, that cannot be broken down into simpler simpler substances by chemical reaction, by chemical reaction. So whatever experimentally provenance of this definition of element he gave Antoine Lavoisier. It is a basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. So as you know, in our periodic table here, total 118 elements known at present, out of which out of which 92 elements occurs in nature. 92 elements occurs in nature, while red star while rest elements are man-made. So basically 118 elements are present in our periodic table. So here we are doing some classification of elements. Classification of elements. So in this classification of elements, we are normally elements we are divided into our three main types, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. So on the basis of their property we are discussing. So as you know, metals, they have basic property. First property, as you know, they donate electrons. They donate electrons to form positive ions, that is cations. And second property, they have luster, that is shine. So as you know, metals have shining surface. Third we are discussing here color. Color of metal, mostly color of metals are silvery gray, silvery gray or golden, somehow yellow color also some metals are. Next property, they conduct heat and electricity, exception except for heat, lead element. For except heat, lead element are there. So here fifth property, basic property, they are ductile, malleable, they have they have sonorous property. So basically these are important property of our metals. So suppose we are discussing here properties of non-metals. So in that non-metals, first property of that non-metals, they gain electrons to form negative ions, and we call it as a anions. Second, non-lustrous. Third property, they are poor poor conductor of heat and electricity. So such type of property we are discussing here. So next we are discussing another property, some important property. So in that we will say they have non, or we can say they are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Exceptional cases, exceptional cases, in conduction of electricity. For example, graphite, that is allotrope of carbon. We are discuss here fourth property for non-metals. They are neither malleable nor neither malleable nor ductile. Non-sonorous, non-sonorous. Like that, so many property here for we are concentrating on that.